So yeah, we got the 2011 Honda Accord, 5-speed manual. Just pop the hood for y'all real quick. K24 stock motor, stock trans. Just fill up the tank. Get at me, Elite 8 detailing. I'm gonna get in the car and we're gonna take a drive. Okay, so we got some gas. And I'm gonna just do a quick little video before I go to the park and work out. Cause you know, buying car parts will stress you out mentally, so you got to get yourself back right. Say now, but yeah. So the overall goal with the Accord is just to build a nice street, 400 wheel horsepower turbo car, because everybody who knows me, I've been waiting to do this for the longest. Like, cause I had an RSX, but I wasn't too updated on the info. It was an automatic RSX. I bought a turbo kit, everything but the RSX turbo kit for it. Put everything together. Tune day came. The tuner couldn't tune the car. Why? Because the map sensor couldn't read. It was something about the map sensor couldn't read the transmission, what gear the transmission, the ECU couldn't read what gear the automatic transmission was in or whatever. So I said, up. So the tuner told me, yep, that's the first problem I had. I can't turbo the automatic RSX. So it was either that or switch platforms or switch the automatic transmission out for manual. I wasn't, doing that. That would cost way more money than my budget. So I just left that. Solar RSX, solar some of the turbo kit pieces. And lo and behold, a year later, boom. Accord, K-Series, 5-speed. We got to get the manual this time. Overview picture. Boost gauge. Timing chain stuff. Waste gauge stuff. Fuel pump stuff. So you got the fuel line holes. You got the beach work. You got the fitting for the fuel pump. So even the fuel rail fitting, oil drain, more fuel fittings, the AM boost controller, oh shush, yeah.